You are not trying to become a better version of yourself. That is not what it is. This is not about self-improvement. It is a template shift. You are not upgrading your old operating system. We are going to install a whole new one that is going to be way, way better. The real issue is not that you might feel stuck in the old patterns or that things repeating themselves and you're trying so hard to modify it somehow within you to change it. The actual real issue is that you have outgrown the old human wiring. The way that you have been programmed from the beginning of your life, it's not quite fitting in the new times. The way that our planet is evolving, the way that humanity is evolving, we are shifting into a different frequency. So your old reflexes, your old identity structures, your old nervous system responses, your old tribal loyalties, your old survival codes, all of those things are old. They are outdated for where we are going. So when you try to navigate current frequencies with decade-old identity architecture, it feels unstable. It feels like a wobbly ground that no matter how hard you try, something is missing. So this lesson is all about structural evolution. The question that we will be exploring here: who would you be if instead of healing the old human version, you replaced it with a whole new one, upgraded template of yourself? What if the anxiety, the identity friction, the mismatch you feel is not dysfunction, but actually a mutation that you're experiencing into a whole new you? Because that is exactly what is happening. This is what we will be diving into. In this lesson, we will do 5 things: releasing outdated human programming, upgrading perception, stabilizing your nervous system for higher voltage of spirit so that you can channel higher frequency with so much more ease and your body can tolerate it and you can understand what is happening with more conscious awareness. Shifting identity architecture into that spirit-led version of you, the higher self version that does not wobble no matter what is happening externally. And integrating the new human template into your daily life. This is not meant to be a theoretical exploration of something that humanity might be going into. I don't like the whole theory stuff. I like practical things that you can actually apply that will help you right now, help your life right now, help you shift through whatever's going on in your life. I always help you apply the things and integrate the knowledge. Well, this is what we're going to be dealing with. Embodied wisdom, not theoretical anything. You will feel the shift in your physical body. Your perceptions, your emotional reactivity will change, your decisions, and so much more. You will start noticing that the old you simply does not run automatically anymore. It still can activate sometimes because, it takes time to shift completely out of the old patterns. And a lot of times the old patterns simply go dormant because we choose not to use them anymore. But currently, most of those older patterns activate automatically in most people. They don't even realize that they're running on this automated pre-programmed pathway. We want to shift into a new human template where the programming is conscious. When it's done by spirit for us, and the higher aspect of us is able to run that frequency consciously. That's when you truly feel like you're in control of your destiny, because it's not you, the human you, that's doing it. It's the spirit you, the higher aspect of you, the soul self, that is navigating your life. And of course, there's amazing meditation that is awaiting you in this lesson. It's the Temple of the New Human. It's a recalibration chamber for your physical body. It's awesome. In the temple, 3 things will happen. First of all, the old identity coding become visible to you, so you can't miss it anymore and you can't confuse them with normal something else. It becomes very clear, like, oh, that's an old program. 2 is that your nervous system receives the higher coherence pattern and able to run that frequency through itself. And 3, is the new human architecture anchors into your field. So instead of imagining who you would be, you actually become it, you embody it. And the temple energetics hold you while your old wiring releases and dissolves. This is awesome. You're going to absolutely love it. And when this template starts anchoring, you'll notice that you respond instead of react. Your perception clears. No more confusion filters. You don't get pulled into the emotional chaos so easily as before. You make decisions much faster. Your boundaries stabilize, and you do not need external confirmation as much either. Your abilities open up to higher frequency levels. It feels like maturity, but deeper. It feels like a calm authority, but quieter. It feels like operating from the future version of yourself, but now, in this moment. And I want to be clear, this lesson is not about becoming some superior being or escaping humanity. Like, we don't want to do that. It's definitely not about disassociating from your emotions, and it's not about becoming cold and detached in order to be some next version of humanity. No, the new human template is much more embodied, not less embodied. And more sovereign energies are going to be running through you. You're not isolated, you're sovereign. There's a big difference there. And you're also more sensitive, but in a correct way. Not reactive, but sensitive as in able to sense wider range of frequencies by integrating that new human template. And you enter more into your body. You activate your abilities in your body. You resonate Christos Sophia light in your body. Everything is happening in your body. The transcension process is not about leaving, it's about coming in correctly. Okay? We are living in such times of change right now. You cannot navigate what is coming on this planet and the frequencies that we're encountering with the old human template. This lesson gives you the correct architecture to stand steady in higher timelines, in higher frequencies, in higher speeds that we will be encountering. So, before you begin the lesson, sit with this. What part of the old human you are you finally ready to outgrow? And what would your life look like if you stopped trying to improve the old template, like who you are now, and allowed the new version of you anchor? What would your life be? What would change in your life? So let yourself contemplate that, journal about it, and then go into the lesson. Notice what shifts inside your body while you listen to the lessons and the meditation in the temple, what frequencies you are playing with within yourself, because all of that is part of that new human template. I am so excited for you. This is going to be awesome. All right, I'll see you on the inside.